Welcome to Tax Teach. I hope you're all having a great day. My name is Sean. I'm a certified public accountant specializing in taxation. Today, I want to go over letter 6419 as it relates to advanced child tax credit payments. To set some context, under the American Rescue Plan Act of 2021, if you were eligible to receive child tax credit in 2021, you were eligible to receive advanced child tax credit payments from July to December 2021. And how the IRS determined if you were eligible to receive advanced child tax credit payments is they looked at your 2020 return and your 2019 return, and based off the information on those returns, they determined if you're eligible to receive that advanced child tax credit through July to December. The letter 6419 does is it summarizes all the advanced child tax credit payments you received from July 2021 to December 2021. It puts it in that letter. And what you use that letter for is you keep it in your tax records and you report those payments, those early payments, on your Schedule 8812 on your Form 1040, which is the schedule used to calculate your child tax credit. A thing to keep in mind on who qualifies for the child tax credit is if you're taking care of a child under the age of 18, generally speaking, they would qualify for the child tax credit. This year, there is a new amount for the child tax credit. In the past, if you had a child under the age of 18, you'd receive a $2,000 credit. But for 2021, that credit is increased to $3,600 if you have a child who is 5 or younger. If you have a child that is over 5, so 6 to 17, they are eligible for a $3,000 child tax credit. So this is a thing you keep in mind. Child tax credit is limited to how much money you make. So if you're above a certain threshold, you may not be eligible to take the full child tax credit. You might be reduced because of the amount of income that you make. If you didn't receive any advanced child tax credit payments through 2021, but yet you expected to receive some, don't worry. The difference is going to be made up on your tax return. What I just mentioned, a Schedule 8812, for any difference, for any payments you didn't receive, you're just going to get that child tax credit on your tax return when you file your tax return this tax season. So don't worry if you didn't receive these advance payments. You'll just get a larger child tax credit on your tax return. Another thing to note is if there's a discrepancy between how many payments you received and how much is being reported on your letter 6419, you should go to your online account and see how much that account is displaying for the payments you received. If that online account is correct, you should go with that number. When you're putting that number onto your Schedule 8812 and reporting your child tax credit on your tax return, just keep in mind when you're preparing your tax return, go with the amount of payments you received. The letter 6419 should report the correct amount, but in case it doesn't, go with what you actually received, and that should be displayed on your online account. In summary, letter 6419 should be kept in your tax records. It summarizes all the advanced child tax credit payments you received in 2021, which you'll use that information to put on your Schedule 8812 on your Form 1040. So just keep that in your tax record just in case IRS comes asking how you calculated your child tax credit for your 2021 tax return. I hope you all found this video helpful and informative. Hit the like button if you enjoyed the video. Also, if you want to watch videos like this in the future, hit the subscribe button. It's free and it keeps you up to date on videos I post. With that, I thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all next video.